Awesome. Showing a quick photo of what a solution looks like, and specifically the solution that Garland and Insane Cyber kind of has together. This is the base, like I was saying, to the 8 pound side. So to show those components we were talking about earlier, we have the Garland, this is the P1G CCAS. We have the Cygnet platform, which is just an on-logic box with Insane Cyber's software on it. So we're actually a software company we can install on basically any in deployable format, even down to a Raspberry Pi, and still be functional for these. Like what we like to that sizing and ability is the platform in here. We have up to 10 terabytes, up to 64 gigs of RAM. So to that field size, to getting something out into the field, this whole package is just around 8 pounds. This is good for again about up to that gig per second, just limitations on the on-logic box, but to the point of having both kind of built out solutions and then expanding up. This is what kind of the small 8 pound form factor looks like. Chris, any thoughts on this?
Yeah, no, I mean, I think that's where things are really changing a lot, right? So the more small, compact, on the go, I look at it as, almost any, network or security engineer could use this as their toolkit, right? So they can be more effective with their job and be able to, gain access to the network, troubleshoot, and because there's still requirements, right, where people are doing half racks, full racks, putting them on a plane, and but more and more often, right, people are trying to make it where they can hop on a commercial flight and either what's nice about this, right, you don't even need to worry about it fitting the overhead, right? You could pop this thing in your laptop bag or put it right underneath your seat in front of you, just as long as you're not in row one. And so it really changes the game here and makes it again, use cases we'll be running through, but it really gives you a lot of abilities to do, uh, performance monitoring, to security monitoring, assessments, and threat detection.